How to fix microphone won't work on Android. If your Android microphone is not working during calls, voice recordings, or apps like WhatsApp and Zoom, don't worry. This is Rose. I'll guide you the perfect way to fix microphones not working on Android. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, a quick restart can fix minor software glitches affecting the microphone. For that, you need to hold power button on your device. Then you need to swipe towards restart, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Test the microphone using the recorder app. Second way, you can easily check for obstructions. Remove the phone case. Some cases block the microphone. You can clean the microphone hole using a soft brush or compressed air. So the mic locations usually are at bottom of the phone, which is the main mic, and at the top, which is secondary mic for noise cancellations. You can even check for the app permissions. So head to the settings and navigate to the apps. Select app management and select the apps like WhatsApp, Zoom, etc. and open its app info section. Then after that you need to select the permissions and then make sure that you enable the microphone permissions. If not, select it and tap on allow. Make sure allow is selected, and after that you can easily factory reset your device. You can easily navigate to the settings and then you can tap on the search bar, type in reset, and you will get the option of factory reset. You can easily select that, or you can even select erase all data. Choose erase all data and you can reset to factory settings. If your mic still doesn't work, it might be a hardware issues. You can visit a repair center for assistance. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.